Hello everyone, I'm coming at you today again very quickly just to show you a purchase that I made in December of 2019 for a Tiffany item. So obviously it's already been unboxed. I've been wearing it like non-stop since even during lockdown at home. Just because you're at home doesn't mean you can't enjoy your jewelry and bags, luxury items. So of course here's the box. It's been opened obviously, so there's nothing in the box at the moment, but I purchased this. Okay, so what happened first of all was I purchased a Tiffany item. I didn't like the item, so I returned it. So when it comes to getting the price of this, this exchange here, I cannot remember. I can tell you the existing, the current prices, sorry. But when it comes to the price I paid, I couldn't tell you. I believe there's been a price increase, but obviously there was a lot of chopping and changing from when I bought something, then returned it, then added a bit more to get this this item here. So, okay, so that was the backstory. So obviously the box came with the item in. You have the little care card. Oh. The care card there tells you how to look after your Tiffany jewelry. So that was the box. In the box came the Tiffany velvet feeling pouch. Now I believe, and I can actually endorse this, that when you leave your jewelry in this pouch, it does seem to keep them looking shiny and new for longer, as opposed to leaving the item in a jewelry box or on a jewelry stand where it can tarnish just by hitting the air. So that's a really good tip for you guys. Keep your item stored in the velvet bag if you have kept it. So that just has a little pocket in there. I don't know if you have pendants or earrings, you want to keep them separately, separate to the necklace. That would be really handy. So that came there. So the item that I purchased actually didn't come together. It was it's actually a necklace and pendant. They came separate, and I chose them on the spot. So what I had returned, it was very delicate. It was actually the Tiffany pendant with the very, very thin chain and the two very small Tiffany hearts, probably, as big as your thumbnail. They were really quite small and a bit too delicate for me. So what I had done was I went into the store in Canary Wharf, and I purchased this necklace. So this will be what it is that I purchased. Okay, so this is the beaded necklace. I believe it's the medium bead, the medium beading. If I can give you like a size reference, it's bigger than the chain that you have for your bath or your sink. Sorry, smaller. It's smaller than that, a little bit smaller than that. Not loads, but it is smaller. Not quite as big as the other necklace that I have reviewed on my channel, but that's the necklace there. So that was really, really pretty. I wanted something that could be seen and that wasn't delicate. It was quite durable, something that I can, tug on. If it got caught in my hair and I happened to pull that out, it wouldn't snap. Not that the thinner one would have done, like it wouldn't have snapped. It was quite durable as well. As I said, I wanted something that was a bit more chunky for me to be seen. So I chose this necklace, and obviously because the other one was too delicate, I purchased this beautiful pendant. Now, I believe they come in 3 colours. So you have the Tiffany blue, you have a red, and you have a pink, as in the heart going around. But obviously it's Tiffany. I like to stick to Tiffany blue. I don't really have anything this sort of turquoisey colour, so where I can, I am getting this Tiffany blue. Okay, so it's just plain on the back. I believe it has a little stamp there. Yep, Tiffany&Co, with the 925 silver grading stamp on the back there. So again, for size reference, this pendant is about, you can sort of say the size of a 1p, of a penny. Bearing in mind that the shape isn't quite penny-like, but for size reference, it's about that sort of size. So it's a good size, really, it's, you know, it's got a good thickness to it, so it's quite chunky. And it didn't look too delicate for the chain. You know, I think it carries it off really, really well. Now, the chain comes in, I believe, 2 different sizes. This would be the 16-inch, but I believe it had an 18-inch as well. It could have gone a bit longer, I'm not 100% certain. But like I said, they are on the website now. You can have a look and look at the sizing yourself. Beautiful necklace. I love this necklace. I've had so many compliments and a lot of people asking me if they came together or if, you know, they came separately. And obviously I've just said that they came separate and I put them together like this. So of course this pendant would suit a smaller chain, but I don't see this chain carrying off a smaller pendant. Okay, so the pendant could go on a smaller, thinner chain, maybe slightly bigger as well, slightly thicker. That would look really good, and the chain could carry off sort of any size pendant. Really, really beautiful. So this sits quite nicely, quite low on the breastbone, and it complements my other necklaces so well. I sort of try and wear them stacked just for a bit of contrast, you know, a slightly thinner chain, shorter necklace, maybe goes to about there. I don't think it needs a lot to bulk it out, you know, not too many necklaces stacked because of the already quite chunky look of the pendant and chain. There you go. So again, if you turn to the side, it is about the thickness of a penny as well. So love this. So I believe, let's have a look. So the pendant comes in currently at £210, and the necklace comes in at £100. Now I'm not sure if you going up in length for the necklace changes the price at all. It may go up in price, it may remain the same, but I think any longer than 16, I mean, depending on your frame, will be really quite long. But obviously if you're going for that sort of look, you know, that will work for you. You go with what's right for you. Really beautiful, beautiful Tiffany necklace, pendant and necklace there. There you go. That's it for my very short, very short Tiffany review. See you later and stay safe.